Hi, I'm David Light. I'm Senior Vice President and General Manager of AspenTech's Pharma Business Unit. Recent pandemic and drug recall events have highlighted the need to transform the pharma supply chain for greater agility and resiliency. Along with the increase in complex drug modalities and the rise of targeted medicines, change is imperative to enhance the supply chain to quickly deliver high-quality, safe, and effective medicines to consumers. Regulatory bodies have responded to these challenges by collaborating with academia and industry leaders on advanced manufacturing initiatives to deliver greater control and ongoing improvement through digitalization. Such advances in manufacturing processes mitigate risk by enabling quality by design approaches to ensure product quality, material and energy conservation, production agility, and speed to market. Aspen Technology has over 40 years of experience in innovating and partnering with adjacent industries to advance manufacturing processes in line with Industry 4.0 initiatives. Our award-winning solutions combine deep domain expertise with AI and machine learning to propel Pharma 4.0 initiatives in the quest to increase quality, yield, and throughput. And by doing so, we help build efficiency, resilience, and sustainability to all levels of manufacturing production. I invite you to join AspenTech at IFPAC 2022, and we'll show you how to advance and accelerate your manufacturing processes through digitalization, helping you bring medicines to the patients faster.